Hi friends, sorry, welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Today our video is about the water pressure gun which I bring from the Amazon, which I bring for the servicing of split AC indoor. This gun is designed for the car wash, but we also use this one for the split AC indoor servicing, which I'll show you in the next videos. So let's see. There is a box. We will open this. It was given inside the box. This box is given inside the carton. We'll check this box. Let's open it. What is inside this box? I bring. It was just arrived to my location, which I requested 3 days before. It's a quick service by the Amazon, very quick delivery. It's a box. This one is the box of gun. Let's see what is inside that. Check. Let's open the box and we will check inside what is inside the box. So this is the box. So there is one pipe which connects the gun, and these are the accessories given in that box. You can see what is inside there. It was not that much expensive, but good. This is the filter which is used to not the impurities will not enter into the gun, to keep your gun safe. And these are the nozzles, different nozzles given in that one. And these are the connectors. Okay, and this is what is inside. There is another which is connected to the gun, which we will fix in the next video. We will show you how to fix this one. But there is a gun given in that one, and it's a battery. This is the battery 48 VF, maximum 2 ampere hour. Let's see, you have to connect this battery to this gun. We'll check. So this is connected. We'll check. See, it's working. In the next video, but better, I'll charge first this one, and must be charge your battery before use up to 4 to 5 hours or 6 hours like this. And this is the user manual, how to use this gun and how to connect everything, how to make this gun accessories. This you can see this is the complete shape of the gun. I'll show you. And these are the parts to join, how to join every part of the gun, every part of accessories to the gun. So this is all about the unboxing of this water pressure gun. It's a very good water pressure gun. This is given to the, if you want to use shampoo. This gun is used, the use of this gun is for car wash. Especially this is made for car wash, and you can clean your split ACs indoor, outdoors, and you also use this for the floor if you want to use. So these are the uses of this gun, and it's a very good gun, not that more expensive. You can easily buy it online from Amazon, from noon.com and AliExpress. All the shops have this water pressure gun. So it's all about the unboxing of water pressure gun. In the next video, I'll show you how to make this gun, how to fix these parts to the gun, and then one by one, step by step, we will discuss this, and we will I will show you where we can use this one. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.